The assessment section provides the concept check for students to apply what they've learned in both selected and open response problem types that are formatted to questioning types seen during high stakes testing. The multiple choice and griddable questions let you immediately see the level of student knowledge, while the open response questions help you identify error patterns and review student reasoning and understanding of the unit concept. The concept check in the teacher edition gives you the opportunity to instill good test taking habits by sharing the test taking tips provided with students. Students will find the Chart Your Success section near the back of their books. It is important that they keep record on how they're doing at the conclusion of each unit. If your campus purchased the online component, then students can complete assessments there, and the program will keep track of the data for both you and the student.